How to watch YouTube while playing Roblox. Hello guys and welcome back. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you that how you can watch YouTube while you're playing Roblox. So for that, first of all, open your YouTube app and you'll be able to see this U icon at the bottom right. So just click on that, and then at the top right you'll be able to see this gear icon. So just click on that. And now over here under the heading of video and audio preferences, you'll be able to see this playback option. So what it does is that if you exit YouTube, videos continue in a mini player on top of other apps. So for that you need to enable this picture in picture. If it is toggled off, click on it so it gets toggled on, and you'll be able to see it turns blue when it's on. And then after that, come to the settings app, and under the option of general, when you click on that you'll be able to see these options. So click on picture in picture, and here make sure that the start pip automatically is turned on. If it's off, click on it so it turns green and to the right side, so that means it's turned on. So once it's done, so come back to your YouTube application, and over here go back to your home screen, and over here select any video which you wish to watch while you're playing Roblox. For example, I've played this video, so what you're gonna do is just go back and open your Roblox. Now you can see that the mini window is gonna be at the bottom over here, and now you see that you can just play and keep on watching the video while you're playing Roblox. So it is very easy. I don't think so there's gonna be any problem for you. So that's how you can watch YouTube while playing Roblox. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.